Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Sunday. So I'm going to be sharing some projects that I created. They're all birthday theme and they're for my friend Armin. She's Happy Mail Queen. She's going to be celebrating her birthday this month, and I just wanted to do a quick little video. And first off, I'm going to go ahead and just share the projects, and then I'll share some of the dies that I used. So these were all created using Bo Bunny You're Invited paper collection, and I made a couple of birthday cards. I'll probably be giving her this one here. But I was inspired by Paper Button Loves on Instagram. She does a lot of projects using like different ticket shapes, and she layers them up and blings them out. Just really cute. So I decided to make a couple cards inspired by her. So I have a die set, an older Sizzix die set that has these larger ticket shape here and this one here. So I just used those and then created my own mats down to size there. Did some stitching, popped some of the layers up. This top piece here is a cut apart from the paper collection, and it's hard to see, but there's a little cupcake image on there. And then I just sewed on some tulle and added some sequin shaker mix with sprinkles and hearts and sequins, and then I added this little birthday sticker, happy birthday, some twine, and that's it. It doesn't have too much going on other than the different layers and, you know, popped up, but I thought it was cute. And on the inside, it's just pretty plain. I just added another one of the stickers from the paper collection that says "So Very Happy" with another little cupcake there. But I think it's, you know, a fun little card. And here's the second one I made. So for this one, because there's a lot of black in the paper collection, I decided to try a black card base, and I think it looks really nice with either white or black with this paper collection. And, you know, same thing, just different pattern papers. Did some stitching and some hot pink, added yellow and white twine for this one, and this cut apart says "Celebrate" under there, and just same thing, added some tulle and little shaker mix there. And this layer was a little bit more plain than the other one, so I added some extra little bling on the side there. And inside I just added another sticker here that has some candles. So those are the two cards that I created, and I shared this little mini album in another video. I used the new coco&reno dies for the month of March to create a little mini album. It measures 3 inches, and I decided to go ahead and make it in a birthday theme so I could gift it to Armin. On the spine here, I think this is my favorite part. I layered some little balloons here and some bling, and I just think that makes the spine look really cute. Here's the cover, just some more bling and a little sticker that says "Yay" on the top. And it's just a quick little mini album that she can add some quick photos of her birthday. And I included some little tags for journaling. Little sticker says "You're fabulous," and I love the papers in this little collection. I think they're so bright and fun. Here's a little cut apart from the paper collection. I think this is a sticker, but it's a little birthday cake, so I just added a little heart bling to that. For this one here, I cut out a notch and made it into a pocket, and added it's a tight little fit, but there's a little photo mat or journaling piece there. Another little sticker that says "Be Your Best Self." Another little diagonal pocket here with some tags. And for this one, I die cut a couple little flowers and added bling, you know, just for the edge there. And here's the last page. I cut out a little circle for a photo mat and just added some little stickers here in the corner. So that's the little mini album. And I think it's cute. It's tiny, but it does hold about 8 photos. If you met them down to 2.5 by 2.5, I think that would be really cute. And, 8 photos is a pretty good amount. And then the little text for journaling. So I hope she likes that and that she can use it. And then I made this little star-shaped pillow box with the die that I had in my stash. Added some more little balloons and some die-cut sequins, stickers that say Celebrate You, and I did glue all of the sides together except one so that I can, fill it with goodies. So I think this is such a cute little pillow box too. I've used it a couple times, and then I did use some new dies that I got from Scrap Diva Designs to create these little like banner wands, I guess, celebration wands. So I think these were so fun, and that's exactly why I ordered these. I wanted to make them part of her birthday goodies, so I couldn't wait to use these, and I love it. I love that they come in different sizes, and I used another die set that I have in my stash with the cupcake and the word Celebrate to put these together. A straw holder, some little fibers, and a yellow pom-pom. So I love that. I think it looks just really festive. And here's the second one. It's the next size down from the bigger one. And this one just layered it up a little bit differently. And the little candles are from the same little die set that had the cupcake. And I just added one of the stickers from the paper collection that says It's Your Birthday, and some more little fibers and a pink pom-pom. So those are my birthday projects for Armin. And I'm still trying to see if I can have time to make a few more things to gift to her, but this might be it for the handmade because I'm running out of time. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look. And if you're interested in seeing the dies, I'll share those next. And like I said, the paper collection is Bo Bunny, and it's called You're Invited. It's an older paper collection, I think 2015. So I don't know how easy it is to find, but it's just really cute. So this, I use this die set for the balloons, and it's from Alina Craft. So I used that one. And this die set here is the one I used for the cupcake and the candle, the word Celebrate, and even the little sequins that I cut out. And this one is by Maya Road, and it's called Celebrate Cupcakes Die Bundle. And I think that's the number, die 3378. So again, I've had this for a long time. I think I picked it up at a scrapbook expo a couple years ago, so I don't know how easy it is to find. But I'm having fun going through some of my, older dies. And then this set here is the Sizzix die that I used. It has the ticket shape. And it's this die set here. So I used this larger ticket and this smaller ticket. And it also has this notch cutting die that cuts a straight line, is the one I used on the mini album to create the pockets. And it comes with another die. I didn't use these on the tickets, but I think it's just fun that it comes with these options to add some detail to the tickets if you want to. It cuts little dots for the bigger one. So that's the die set, and here's the number for that one from Sizzix. And here is the die set from Scrap Diva for the banners. I love this set, you guys. I love the different sizes, and there's just 2 layers to each of these, but it's just so pretty. Really easy to cut out and put together, but they just look so cute, and you can use them for anything, for birthdays, for Easter, Christmas. It's just endless possibilities. So that's that, and here's her website, scrapdivadesigns.com. and all of her social media info. So that's it, guys, for the dies that I used and project share. I hope you enjoyed taking a look. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.